All right. Okay, so now we have the new filter, the cabin air filter. Picked this up from Advanced Auto Part. All right, this is the old one. And to get to it, very simple. So that tab. Slide that down. Excuse my finger. Take that out. Right. Now once you do that, you got this. And on this side, you have another one. Alright, so what I'll do, squeeze them in. Kind of hard to do with the phone. Alright. And this comes down like so. Right. So these two guys, 1, 2, 3. Alright. And your cabin filter goes in here. Right. Pretty simple. Just slide it in. You have this piece. See the corner right there? Make sure this slides over those tabs. Done deal. And then that one snaps in right here. And remember to take this out, all you gotta do, pull this tab and it comes right out. Pull your filter out and that's it. All right, pretty simple. And you put your glove box back in. Same way you took it out. All right, line those up. All right, you're gonna bring it up. Remember this piece, all right? That piece slides into this slot. All right? These tabs, squeeze them back in, and they go back here. All right? Pretty straightforward stuff. Pretty simple. I'm gonna get this guy back in. Just like that. This side's already in. And that's how you do your cabin filter. That one I paid $35 from Advanced Auto Parts. Could have gotten it cheaper. Definitely could have gotten it cheaper, but I was desperate. All right, that's it. Done deal.